Hey guitar friends, this is Prokopis from Effective Music Practice, and this is one of the very few times that I'm excited to make a video that's not actually a guitar lesson, but it's very much related to learning guitar, especially if you enjoy learning with SFS or any of the effective systems we use here at EMP. First of all, before I share the news, I want to give everyone $10. But since I can't afford to do that right now, I'm giving you $10 of credit that you can apply to purchase any of my courses. Just click the link below to get a coupon for any course you like. And if you got any of my courses in the past or donated any amount to help EMP, then you have a lot more than $10 waiting for you, which actually brings me to my big announcement. I've been trying to think of ways to encourage EMP viewers to invest in their guitar learning for two reasons. The first one is, of course, that this is my job, so I naturally want to have more students. But beyond that, more importantly, I really love teaching, as you can probably tell if you follow me for any amount of time. And I can see that my courses help guitar players break through barriers and enjoy great progress. With your support, EMP is impacting online guitar education in general. I get amazing emails all the time and comments from people who have breakthroughs and light bulb moments, especially with the string fragment system. SFS Fretboard Secrets in particular has been a huge success with over 10,000 signups already. But that's a free course, and I understand that when it comes to premium courses, which are a big step up, money naturally gets in the way. Even though an online guitar course actually costs much less than a few private lessons, budgets can be tight sometimes. I know because I've been there. And I want to remove this friction from the learning experience in the same way that I try to remove friction in my teaching methods. Of course, making everything free is an idea, but it wouldn't work for obvious reasons. So I have devised a way to reward my longtime supporters with free premium courses, but also encourage new people to take the step and invest in a course or in the Practice Partner subscription. You help me with your support and I help you with more lessons. And I think that this is the best deal that I have managed to come up with for you guys, and will hopefully remove all the friction of money so that we can partner up and focus on learning guitar. So here's how it works. Everyone that ever makes a payment to EMP or have made any payments in the past gets 50% back in credit. So essentially in the long term, it's like I slashed the prices in half. This is especially important if you're a full access monthly subscriber, because sometimes if you don't have time to practice and you're paying monthly, you feel that your subscription payment is going down the drain. I never felt right about that. But now half of every payment gets credited, so it starts to look like an installment plan instead of a subscription. In fact, after a while, you can even use your credit and get lifetime access to everything so that you won't need the monthly subscription anymore. Now, I'm not crazy for doing this, because I believe that even though I'm giving away more courses for less money, this will also encourage more people to move on to the premium courses. So in the long term, this will help me grow EMP. So there you have it, EMP rewards. You get 50% back for everything you pay. If you have ever paid for any course or were a practice partner for any amount of time, you have credit waiting for you that you can use to get free courses. And if your credit is not enough for a free course, then you can apply as much as you want and just pay the difference. Just use the link below to check your balance. And even if you have never bought any EMP course, then the system will automatically credit you with a $10 gift. I sincerely hope that this EMP rewards idea will help remove the friction of money so that we can partner up and focus on learning guitar. Use the link below to explore it, and remember, enjoy your practice and be effective.